It's 96 degrees here in Houston. What better way to cool off than head to Hurricane Harbor and Six Flags? First up, we have RipQurl. Apparently, we are not doing RipQurl because it does have a weight limit of 250 pounds. Now let's fat test StingRay Racer. StingRay Racers has 6 different slides to go down so you can race your friends. We'll try to go like, you should go to the gym. Like, have you been to a theme park, especially a water park? It's like a Stairmaster. No, I'm not terrified at all. Here's what the tubes look like. They're all lined up side by side. You take a mat to go down. You do have to carry it up the stairs. Oh, that tube looks pretty small. I'm scared. Oh gosh, I caught air. A lot of air. Sorry guys, I didn't realize it stopped filming. On the orange, because I caught air on that list. Whew, that was something. Bumped my head on the tunnel. So just be careful on it. But I was able to go. And it was fun. Just a lot. The Blue Lagoon, which is like a water area, and they have some different things like the circuits there. The word I'm trying to find is obstacle courses, but I just bumped my head, so you know, don't give me too much grief. Next up is Walla Walla Falls. I do not see a weight limit on here. Looks like it's just a short slide and you plop down into the pool. At least with a short slide, it's less stairs. Let's go. This water park is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It may have more attractions and less theming than Typhoon Lagoon. This one just has 2 slides side by side. So for whatever reason, you're not allowed to have a shirt on this ride, just so you know. Very odd rule. So no shoes and no shirt. It's the opposite of restaurants. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that is quite the splash. Ah. The slide was fine, but just so you know, you'd have to climb out of a ladder that's pretty high. Short little thrill. Did not like having to take my shirt and shoes off, but just so you know, you do have to. The things I do for you guys. Now would be a great time to like the video. There's a tube rental place. So if you have these, you just skip the line because you don't have to wait on the tube. You want to rent them. And here's the pricing. So they do not have free tubes for the lazy river or anything, or the wave pool. So you do have to rent a tube for that. Wondering what the weight limits are at Hurricane Harbor and the height limits, here you go. Most people opt out of the tube, which is probably good because this thing would be really packed if they didn't. Let's fat test Big Spin here at Splashtown, Hurricane Harbor, Six Flags. This actually has 2 different sides. If you go down the left side, it's open at the top. If you go down the right side, it's enclosed at the top. Oh! 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 Off into the water, took the breath out of me. That was a lot of fun though. But I'm ready for a break again. I have Sharky's Bar for those that like to participate. Some of your libations here. Are $14, $18, and $24, and you scan that to pay. Look, yay, more stairs. Bonsai Pipelines has a weight limit at 300, and there is nothing on Paradise Plunge. Assuming that means that is the pipeline, and that one is the plunge. I have to do that one. Here we go. I postponed long enough, I guess. I cannot figure out how tall this is anywhere. The hell no, and have a ways to go. I hope you'll appreciate what I'm doing. She's so scared she's asking to be brought back up. She actually looked over and I talked to her and encouraged her to go down. I don't blame her for being scared. She did it! I actually passed several people on the way up that were walking back down because they were too afraid. There was no line at all for this. That's to do it. I'm terrified. Oh, I ain't coming back. Hold on to them? Oh boy. Alrighty. Uh-huh. Is this how you get down every day? So I've got to carry everything while I do this plunge. Can I hold this around my neck with it in my hand so it doesn't fall? Like if I have it around my neck and my hand? Oh, that's a good idea. The only challenge is the Crocs are about to get in the way of the camera, and I do apologize. It's not a clear shot. Do what? Okay, I have to hold my phone. Or it will fly off. Okay, well that's why I wanted to. Okay. Okay. So go down, cross your arms, okay. Cross your legs, okay. And lay down. Okay. Okay, ready? No. Yes, you are. You're not scared. Oh gosh. Ready? Yes. No going back now. Ah! Oh. Yeah. Okay. Good thing I'm gay or I wouldn't be a virgin after that. Shaking, but I am so proud of myself for doing that. It was terrifying, but I did it. Let's check out the wave pool. Like it goes down to 8 feet. Now at Typhoon Lagoon, you have to wear your, if you are wearing a life vest, you can't go past this line here, if you can see it. It looks like they don't have that restriction here. But they don't have the big waves, they just have these small ones. My favorite kind of fat test, the Paradise River. I carry this everywhere, that's how I'm able to do it. For the most part, you're just walking around the river. I think I can float, let's see. I'm fat enough, I can usually float. There we go. I might rent a tube next time. Please do not hang on the bridge. I like that you can enter this from some of the slides. A little waterfall. Without the tubes, kids definitely don't understand the meaning of lazy river.